Hi everyone, my name is John Gyra. I am a ServiceNow architect over here at RapDev.
My name is Kyle Bruckner. I'm an engineering manager.
My name is Eli Kaptanopoulos. I'm also an engineering manager.
So today we're going to be talking to you about tag-based service mapping for Kubernetes. So there is a prerequisite in order to do service mapping for Kubernetes. First, you actually have to discover your Kubernetes clusters. So what actually gets brought in when you discover your Kubernetes cluster is all the different resources and relationships that are there inside of your Kubernetes cluster. The pods, the images, the containers, the namespaces, all of that good information. And an important part of that we also bring in are tags. And it is those tags that are utilized inside of the service map, which Eli is going to be talking about.
Over here you can see we have some example tags, service and environment. These tags are used on the pod A and pod B from the discovery process, and that's how the service map knows what application service to link it to.
And the reason that's important is it gives you visibility into all the resources that are brought in from your Kubernetes platform. That way, if a container goes down, you can see the effect upstream on the application service. Additionally, you can get insight into the vulnerability risk related to the containers, which gives you insight into which application services have the highest risk in your environment.
So that wraps up our discussion on tag-based service mapping for Kubernetes. For more information on this and other topics, feel free to visit our website at rapdev.io. Thank you.